Parts of a bass guitar. This is called the headstock. We call these the tuning machines. This is called a string tree, or also called a string retainer guide. This is called the nut. This is the neck. On the neck is the fingerboard or fretboard. On the fretboard, you will find the frets. These are inlay position markers. These are the strings. These are the pickups. We call this the pickguard. These are the tone and volume control knobs. This is the output jack, or sometimes called the input jack. This is called the bridge. On the bridge, you will find the bridge saddles. We thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, we ask that you like and subscribe to our channel. Check out another great video to your left.